If you want to cancel your Agoda free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure that you do so before any charges are applied. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the Agoda app and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the homepage or in the app menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In account settings, look for a section labeled subscriptions or membership. Click on this to view your current subscription status and details. Step 4. Select cancel trial. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your free trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Agoda. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. Make sure to complete these steps before the trial period ends to avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Agoda's customer support for assistance.